The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyim bae.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike.
Hi guys, it's Zanna and today we're going to be making Isiewu. Here I have my apprentice. If you haven't seen him in some of my videos, his name is Nata. Hi. So this Isiewu is a very, very, very special delicacy in Igbo. This is not how the one goat head would look like. It's just that my mom already used it, but then she kept some for me to teach NATO. And it's not cooked every day. It's only cooked for special occasions. Very special. So like if you need to cook something for a very special party, yeah, you could cook the Isiewu. So let's show you the ingredients. So here we have palm oil. So this is bicarbonate of soda. They usually use account, but you know, they're all potash. But you know, I always want to make the things that I cook healthy. So this is the stock of the meat. So this and this is ehuru. So this is how it looks like when it's grounded and roasted. But this is how it usually is. But it's actually like nutmeg, but it's different. Here we have dried utazi. We have our service bowl. And here we have the mighty goat head. We have the mixing bowl. And these three are for garnishing. So we would usually use fresh utazi, but we didn't have it, so we had to use baby spinach. We have onions, and we have red peppers. So now let's get cooking. I hope you enjoy this video.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyim bae.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwa dagarigo. Onwarunga basi, onemekasi. Onwarunga basi, onampiakasi. Ebube dike, iwe erikekwe. Wani manaria, achalugo dike. Clear the road for Musabi. Step aside for the game changer. Putago, I'm gonna bubble tani. Onwarunga basi, onemekasi. Onwarunga basi, onampiakasi. Ebube dike, iwe erikekwe. Wani manaria, achalugo dike. Toya dike, Oshiri jibwa Mawushine Ogandoga Ikene bubedike We know they carry last year As a blue one on Elani One manaria Achalugo dike
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba,
Toya dike Nenu dike Toya dike Nenu dike Iye jamara dike ruenu Ekwe chenjigo Iye jamara dike ruenu Ekwa dagarigo Onwarunga basi Oneme kasi Onwarunga basi Onapia kasi Ebube dike Iwe rikekwe Wani manaria Achalugo dike Clear the road for Musabi.
Okay guys, so the Isiewu has been cooked. And it's very yummy. Nato, do you think it is very yummy?
Yes, and I've never cooked before, and it's very, very yummy.
Okay, so now we're going to garnish it. So I'm going to put some onions and put it around to decorate it.
Decorate it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna decorate. So you might as well put an onion.
And now I will sprinkle some spinach. Oh, when it's sprinkled. Okay, that's better. Yeah, get off my hand. Naughty spinach. Yeah, Nathan can help too.
Can I put one more onion?
Okay. Oh, these naughty onions. Let me just bring it close to me. We'll get some pepper.
I can't get any pepper. That's all I got.
I took some of it. Oh yeah, it is. It's very small. So this is how it should be served. It should definitely be served in this kind of plate called okwa. Because if it's served in a normal plate, you have removed the special from it. It's not special anymore. So this was how to cook Isiewu, and remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I make any new videos, and share so that I can get to 200 subscribers.
Just
Bye.
8 more subscribers.
Toya dike Nenu dike Toya dike Nenu dike Iye jamara dike ruenu Ekwe chenjigo